You are welcome to my channel once again, Master Joe Hustle. And today I'll be revealing to you a powerful tool called Chatgpt. Chatgpt is an AI, a powerful AI. It's a powerful tool that is used to write. It's a writing tool that helps to write anything you want to write. For a quick one, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well by clicking on the subscription button, like, and comment down below. And also you can also click on the notification button. That enables you to have more of my content, my valuable content. So now I'm going to jump into my laptop screen now to teach, to expatiate more. um, um, chat gpt.com. Just go to what was it called? Go to Google, type chat gpt, click enter. Okay, pick the first one. You can see the first one that has chat.openai.com. Click the first one. Okay, this is it here. But if you are a newcomer, if you are a beginner, if you've not gotten the if you have not signed up, it will not bring you to this interface. This is the interface of my account because I've already signed up. You can see it's carrying my logo. Look at my email. So for those people that have not signed up, it will show an interface where you need to sign up first. It's free. It's not, you don't need to pay any money. It's free. Once you sign up, it cannot bring you to this interface. So like I said earlier on, ChatGPT is a powerful tool, powerful AI that is used to write, for writing. So it is not you that will be doing the writing. It is the um bot. Is a bot. Is an AI. It is the AI that will, all you have to do is just tell it what to write. Tell it, like for example now I want to I can say write a 200 words about um about America. Amer America, um Hollywood, Hollywood. Write a 200 word about America, Hollywood. Click on enter. As you can see, the way it's generating it automatically. And guess what? All articles generated in this ChatGPT are authentic. If you check the grammar, the grammars are accurate. If you check the wordings there are accurate, and they are plagiarism free. They are plagiarism free. So you can take, but mind you, again, you cannot compare artificial intelligence to human brain. So any words, any article generated in this ChatGPT must be thoroughly cross-checked. Must be thoroughly cross-checked. But for a quick one, since I've been using these tools, I've not by any way see any error. But still, it's still good to cross-check and confirm yourself. Okay, like this one, what generator, he said Nollywood synonymous with the American Dream Factory. It's an iconic district nestled within Los Angeles, California. It has captured the world imagination for over a century as the epicenter of the global entertainment industry. Hollywood represents more than just a physical location. It is a symbol of American influence on popular culture. You can see it makes sense, eh? And the grammar are accurate. Grammatical are accurate. Okay, so this content you can use this content, this article rather. You can use this article for your content. You can use after I think you can ask it to generate 1,000 words, 5,000 words, blah blah blah. After it must have generated it for you, you will copy it, copy the article, copy it, then you can use it. Copy it, you can use it in whatsoever things you want to use it in. You can use it. You can ask ChatGPT. You can um ask new chat. You can ask ChatGPT to write a story. It can write a story for you. It can write a story about a little mermaid. Mermaid. Write a story about a little mermaid. Let's see. This Little Mermaid is a new series. Is a film. Sorry, is a new movie. 2023. This 2023 is a new series. So now I'm asking it to to write me a new series. I'm sorry, a new film. Once upon a time, in the depth of the Azure Ocean, there lived a little mermaid named Marina. Unlike she was unlike any other mermaid in the underwater kingdom of Atlantic. While her sister reveled in the beauty of their city, Marina's heart was captivated by the world above the waves. Blah 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 blah. Marina had a secret collection of human artifacts she had found in Whipwreck. Her treasure trove included gleaming pearl, shimmering seashell, and a collection of colorful sea plants she had woven into intricate jewelry. But her most prized possession was a tarnished silver mirror that had driven drifted down from the surface. Blah 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 blah. Every night you can read, you can see. Don't let me bore you with my reading. So after imagining, then you can copy the content, sorry, the article, copy the article and use it for your content. ChatGPT is very good, is very vital, is very, in fact, I use it every day. I use it every day. It's very good. So that is that. So that is what ChatGPT is all about. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have found value in this my video, please do me a good by subscribing to my channel, turn on the notification, also enable you to have access to my new and latest video. And once again, you can give me a thumbs up, a like, and comment down below. Thank God bless you.